It's 6:30 in the morning and I've not seen such calm streets before. I don't know, maybe it's because it's Holi, it's Ranga Panchami. It's surprising because I've never seen the city I live in this calm and this quiet. Like literally I can't find anyone on the road. I don't know what's the scene. Let's see ahead though. So I am walking from my home towards a bus station. From there I'm gonna go to a stop where my friends are gonna pick me up. So yeah. We took a ride from Shirsad Phata and now we're having breakfast. Whatever went chai. Anurag is with me. Say hi. We have reached and it's stunning. Just check out. So we're not sure if this is the place where we had to go because I had checked some videos on YouTube and the place looked a little different. So we're just gonna explore here. For now, this is what the view is. Just check that side out. That side, amazing. Like, we're actually very happy to explore this out, to discover this place. We waited here for a couple of minutes and now we're thinking of checking that place out. So when Mr. Anurag here decides to walk instead of taking his favorite bullet, so we're walking that side, we're walking there. And it's so pretty, guys. Like, you need to come here, you need to really check it out, especially come in the morning time because then you'll see a lot of fog and then there won't be sun. Of course, no sun is equal to lots of fun. We're not walking, we're going back to take the bike again because there's like a long route to walk and the dam is that side. We got a bike here and see, the bike is parked there. Now we're just going that side to click some good shots. So that is what happens when you're with a travel vlogger. The shots at this location are done. Next we are going to walk here and then take a bike and then go there. That was a place which I had seen in one of the videos that I saw on YouTube. So I think we'll just go and check that place out. Location 2 is done. Now we're planning to go and explore further there. We were to go to the far end of that road, but we saw like a group of locals. They were like drinking, and since it's Holi, they were like full of colors and they were enjoying themselves. So we just thought that since it's just the both of us, we thought of not exploring that area out, though the area seemed to be pretty promising. So now I think the sun has started to shine brightly, so I think it's time to go back, head back for Mumbai, head back home. I would like to end my vlog here. Anurag, say bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye. I'll see you in my next vlog.
काय झालं? चॉकलेट हवं आहे? चॉकलेट चॉकलेट हवं ना आपल्या बस.
चॉकलेट हवंय? हाय हॅपी होली बोल. हॅलो हॅपी होली बोल. हॅपी बर्थडे नाही हॅपी होली.
हॅपी होली.
तुझं नाव काय आहे?
ममता.
ममता. एक मिनिट मला जाऊन द्या.